Dear learners, welcome to today's session. Today, we'll discuss an important topic: relationship between learning theories and instructional strategies. For large and small groups, formal and non formal groups. Please watch the entire video carefully and take notes on the key points. At the end of the session, you'll find multiple choice questions, MCQs, to help reinforce and assess your understanding of the topic. Let us try to understand relationship between learning theories and instructional strategies. Learning theories provide a foundational framework for understanding how students acquire knowledge, skills, and attitudes. Instructional strategies, on the other hand, are methods employed by educators to facilitate this learning. The choice of strategy depends largely on the underlying theory of learning as well as the context, such as the size of the group and whether the setting is formal or non formal. Integrating appropriate technology further enhances the effectiveness of these strategies. Let us explore behaviorist theory and instructional strategies. Behaviorist theory overview, developed by theorists like B.F. Skinner, focuses on observable behavior changes. Learning occurs through stimulus response and reinforcement. Instructional strategies, drill and practice, repetition to reinforce correct responses. Programmed instruction, step-by-step learning modules. Positive reinforcement, rewards or praise to encourage desired behavior. Application, large groups, formal use of clickers or polling tools for immediate feedback, reinforcement through quizzes. Small groups, formal group competitions, gamified learning. Non-formal groups, community workshops with hands-on practice and instant rewards. Technology integration, computer-assisted instruction. Educational software with feedback mechanisms, example Duolingo. Learning management systems, LMS, with built-in quizzes. Cognitive theory overview focuses on internal mental processes such as thinking, memory, and problem solving. Theorists Jean Piaget, David Ausubel emphasizes meaningful learning, information processing, and advanced organizers. Instructional strategies, use of concept maps and graphic organizers. Scaffolded learning. Metacognitive activities, example, reflection journals. Advanced organizers to link prior knowledge with new content. HI and instructional strategies. Application, large groups, formal interactive lectures with visual aids, guided note-taking. Small groups, formal problem-solving tasks, use of advanced organizers. Non-formal groups, self-paced cognitive tasks, community-based projects that promote understanding. Technology integration, mind mapping tools, example MindMeister. Interactive simulations and virtual labs. Learning apps that promote critical thinking, example Khan Academy. Constructivist theory and instructional strategies. Theory overview, learning is an active, contextualized process of constructing knowledge. Emphasizes collaboration, reflection, and real-life application. Theorists Jerome Bruner, Lev Vygotsky, Jean Piaget. Instructional strategies, project-based learning, PBL. Collaborative and cooperative learning. Inquiry-based learning. Scaffolding and zone of proximal development, ZPD. Application, large groups, formal breakout rooms or peer instruction during lectures. Small groups, formal group projects, role plays, case studies. Non-formal groups, participatory rural appraisal, experiential learning. Technology integration, online collaboration platforms, example Google Workspace, Padlet. Virtual discussion forums and group chats. Digital storytelling tools. Learning communities via platforms like Edmodo or Moodle. Instructional strategies by group type. Group type. Behaviorist strategy. Cognitive strategy. Constructivist strategy. Large formal group, quizzes, lectures with feedback. Visual aids, interactive lectures. Peer teaching, breakout group discussions. Small formal group, skill-based practice sessions. Think Pair Share, guided discovery. Project-based learning, role plays. Large non-formal, demonstrations with rewards. Audiovisual presentations. Community-driven projects. Small non-formal, activity-based learning. Storytelling, concept linking. Participatory and collaborative sessions. Dear viewers, let's solve some important multiple choice questions based on the presentation. 1. In behaviorist theory, learning is defined as a personal construction of knowledge. B. A change in behavior due to external stimuli. C. A reflective process of inquiry. D. Development of cognitive schemas. 2. Which instructional strategy aligns best with behaviorist theory? A. Discovery learning. B. Lecture with questioning. C. Drill and practice. D. Problem-based learning. 3. Piaget's theory of cognitive development emphasizes A. Learning through reinforcement. B. Social interaction as the primary source of learning. C. Mental structures and developmental stages. D. Stimulus-response patterns. 4. What is the main idea of constructivist theory? A. Knowledge is transferred from teacher to student. B. Knowledge is constructed by learners through experience. C. Learning is caused by reinforcement only. D. Behavior is controlled by external stimuli. 5. Which instructional method supports Vygotsky's concept of scaffolding? A. Independent study. B. Group work with peer support. C. Drill and repetition. D. Teacher-led lectures. 6. Ausubel's theory is centered around A. Operant conditioning. B. Spiral curriculum. C. Meaningful verbal learning. D. Stimulus-response bonding. 7. The term advanced organizer is associated with which theorist? A. David Ausubel. B. Jerome Bruner. C. B. F. Skinner. D. Lev Vygotsky. 8. Spiral curriculum was proposed by A. B. F. Skinner. B. Jean Piaget. C. Jerome Bruner. D. David Ausubel. 9. In instructional design, constructivist theory encourages A. Step-by-step learning without collaboration. B. Teacher-centered delivery of content. C. Exploration, discovery, and social learning. D. Memorization of facts. 10. What is a key characteristic of cognitive theory in learning? A. Rote memorization. B. External stimulus control. C. Internal mental processes. D. Imitation and modeling only. Thank you, don't miss out. Subscribe now to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education, for insightful content and valuable resources.